Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7 question number 13, that is most important for paper's point of view. So let's start. The sum of a geometric progression whose common ratio is 3 is 728 and the last term is 486. Find the first term. Here common ratio is 3, so R is equal to 3, Sn is equal to 728, so Sn can also be written in the form of a 1 into 1 minus R power n fraction 1 minus R is equal to 728, that is equation number 1. Last term is 486, so An is equal to 486. An can also be written in the form of a1 R power n minus 1 is equal to 486. So R power n minus 1 dividing on both sides, so a1 is equal to 486 divided by R power n minus 1. a1 is equal to 486. Take R power n minus 1 into numerators, so power will be negative minus n plus 1. So again arrange the term power, that is R power 1 minus n, that is equation number 2. Put value of equation 2 in equation 1, so equation 1 becomes 486 R power 1 minus n into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R is equal to 728. So by 486 R power 1 minus n plus minus minus, so 486 R power 1 minus n dot R power n is equal to 728. 1 times 728 plus minus minus 728 R. So next arrange the terms. 486 R power 1 minus n minus 486, bases same, power will be added or subtracted, so 1 minus n plus n is equal to 728 minus 728 R. So 486 R power 1 minus n minus 486 R, so plus 1 plus n minus n cancel, so R is equal to R minus 7. Take left hand side 7, right hand side 728 to right hand side minus 728, so right hand side minus 728 R to left hand side, so sign will be positive, plus 728 R is equal to 0. So 486 R power 1 minus n, 728 minus 486 is equal to 242 R minus 728 equal to 0, that is equation number 3. Next put R is equal to 3 in equation 3, so equation 3 becomes 486 3 power 1 minus n plus 242 into 3 minus 728 equal to 0. So next 486 multiply 3 power minus n, so 3 power 1 minus n can also be written in separated form, that is 3 multiply 3 power minus n plus 242 multiply 3 is equal to 726 minus 728 equal to 0. So 486 multiply 3 is equal to 1458 multiply 3 power minus n, so 728 minus 726 is equal to minus 2 equal to 0. So next 1450 multiply 3 power minus n. So minus 2 take left hand side to right hand side, positive 2 equal to, so next dividing by 1458 both sides, so 3 power n is equal to 2, divide 1458, so 2 7 29 times 1458, so 3 power minus n is equal to 1 divided by 729, so 729 is the power of 3 power 6. So take 3 power 6 denominator to numerator form, power will be negative minus 6, so minus n basis m power equal to, so minus n is equal to minus 6, minus minus cancel, n is equal to 6 from equation 1a, a1 r power 1 minus n, put n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 3, so 486 3 power 1 minus 6, so 486 3 power minus 5, take 3 power minus 5 in denominator form, positive term, so 486 divided by 3 power 5 is equal to 243, 2 times 486, so a1 is equal to 2, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.